Mops can be batch charged in either the plastic or stainless steel charging buckets depending on the cart and accessories purchased. Each bucket can charge up to 10 mops at a time. If you are using the stainless steel bucket, be sure to place the arched insert into the bucket first. Prepare the appropriate amount of cleaning solution for the type and number of mops to be charged and pour into the bucket. Insert the mops with the pockets facing up, then secure the lid on the bucket. The stainless steel lid has 2 latches, the plastic lid has 4 tabs. You should hear an audible click when the tabs engage. Turn the bucket upside down and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the mops to completely saturate. After the mops are saturated, turn the bucket over and place onto the cart. Keep covered until you are ready to load a mop. When removing the lid from the plastic bucket, it is easier if you release the tabs on the sides first, then the ends.